Hello, welcome to my channel GMZone. It's about this platform GMGTRS, GMGtrys. I don't know what it's called. GMG, they came a platform that was created on March 26th of this year, 2023. So they claim to be a platform that claim to offer return through various investment strategies such as buying and selling stocks, investing in real estate. All right, but I go furthermore. This is your link to register, but I'm actually going to make some review about this platform. But firstly, I must say, invest. I always say this word before I say anything of any platform which I found a red flag or top. I always say invest what you can actually afford to lose. That's my point, or me telling you, because I can give you reviews of a platform, but it's all choice is yours. If you actually want to make quick money, but you need to be wise taking your risks, you understand? So I must say forward. One thing that baffles me with this very platform is one thing that's shaking me right now, like the high return investment on this platform, is what I am shocked about and nothing more. It is what is trying getting me confused. I mean, like, I can't really get how to imagine what is about this platform, because from what I noticed so far is that if someone should invest an amount of 4,000 naira and you say the person will be getting whopping sum of 30,000 naira, how does that work? It's sum of 4,000 naira, and that will actually make a lot of people to invest in this platform, and which is not really good. That people have to be very, very careful of this platform. And which I must say, for the fact that you invested an amount of 4,000 and getting 30,000 at the end of the day, I must say this platform, and we are in the month of May right now. Today is May 4. Let me not lie to you, in the next 1 month this platform will crash. I am saying it and I'm saying it again. Or in the next, not more than 2 months. It's 2 months is too far, but 1 month you need to actually figure out how you are going to do your investment platform on this GMGtrys, because I have just said it now. Give it 1 month, and I give it 1 month or 2 months, but I know that it's not going to be up to that 2 months. But which I know that in the next 1 month it's going to crash, and that's what it is. So I must move down to there's this I checked the domain name when it was created. It was created March 26th of March 2023. Date of expiry going to be expired next year of that date. And review of someone say fellow Nigeria, gmgtrys.com is another Ponzi like waiting to cash out and make you cry. Run now. So there are some reviews which I get. Many bad reviews detected on the internet. The rating is just 1%. The domain name is very recent, less than 6 months. When you see less than 6 months, they are like anything less than 6 months from this scam doc website where I've just mixed some I've just gotten to know about the domain name. Anything written less than 6 months, that means it's a platform in a Ponzi scheme or pyramid scheme that I've just scratched, not less than 6 months. So they said the owner of the domain name is hidden. Check privacy policies. Short life expectancy domain. So guys, from this review I've just made, to make review to you guys, so you actually know what you have to do on your own if you want to really invest in this platform, because I don't see anything good or genuine from this platform. Because one thing that baffles me most is the amount invested and what you have to get in return, because it's actually telling that this platform is about to die early. Thank you and bye.